one of the most important function of the commercial bank, that is money creation by the commercial bank or credit creation by the commercial bank. Here I am going to discuss about how the commercial bank is going to create the credit. Means in the circulation, the credit availability with the bank has been increasing due to some principles, some techniques adopted by the bank, and that process I am going to discuss here with the numerical solution. Now here, what money creation by the commercial bank? Money creation means it is the credit creation, means availability of the loan with the commercial bank. How the commercial bank is creating the credit? For this, we need to take few assumptions, and two assumptions are: assumption number one, all banks are supposed to be one bank. Means all the banks, all the commercial banks are in a single unit. All banks are in a single unit. And number two, the second assumption we are having here, that all the transactions are taking place through the bank. All the transactions, the lending, the purchasing, deposit, all the transactions are taking place through the bank. All the transactions are taking place through the bank. So with these two assumptions, we have to find out a solution how the commercial banks are creating credit within the credit. Now the process is starting from a numerical example. Suppose initial deposit, of 100 rupees deposited by the depositor in the commercial bank. Now out of this 100 rupees, some part will be kept by the commercial bank with in the form of reserve, and that is known as the legal reserve requirement in the form of LRR. This is legal reserve requirement. Now the rest amount will be given in the form of loan. This LRR will be determined by the RBI and the loan will be given by the commercial bank. Suppose initial deposit is 100, but entire amount will not be given by the bank in the form of loan, because some part will be given in the form of the legal reserve. Now how the process is taking place? Here 100 rupees, suppose we assume that LRR is decided by the RBI is 10%. LRR is 10%. That means 90% of the loan, 90% is available for the loan. Now let me discuss about 100 rupees initial deposit. Now 90 rupees will be given in the form of loan, whereas 10 rupees given in the form of LRR to the RBI, legal reserve requirement. Now this 90 rupees, what process is actually following by the RBI as a commercial bank? The commercial banks are actually following the process. When they are giving the loan, they are opening an account in the name of the borrower, and the amount and the loan amount will be deposited in the account holder, and that means this loan will be given in the form of deposit again. Means this 90 rupees again in coming in the form of deposit. Now initial deposit was there 100 rupees. The second deposit, the second round, the deposit coming in the form of 90 rupees. Again 90 rupees, 90% of 90 rupees is 81 rupees is given in the form of loan, and remaining 9 rupees is given in the form of LRR. Now the process will continue similarly. 81 rupees and 90% will be loan, LRR will be 10%. Now let me discuss how the total amount 100 rupees will become how many times. The principle is following in the form of money multiplier. The money multiplier is calculating the form of 1 by LRR. 1 by LRR means 1 by legal reserve requirement. What percentage is given. That means in this numerical situation, the LRR will become 1 by 10%, that is equal to 100 by 10 is equal to 10 times. Means the initial deposit will become 10 times in the bank. That means 100 rupees initial time, so total deposit will become, that is 1000. 10 times of 100 is 1000 rupees. Similarly, this 10,000 of this 90 rupees, it will become our 900 rupees, and here 10% is 100 rupees. That means altogether forms our initial deposit. At the same time, we can have the cross checking that 100 rupees initial deposit must be equal to the LRR, total LRR. Up to this level, the bank can create the money within them. The bank can create the money or the credit, the bank can create the credit within the bank till the initial deposit becomes equal to our total LRR percentage, legal reserve percent. So this is the process through which, this is the numerical process through which commercial bank can make credit, can increase the credit, can increase the money within them, within this in deposit policies. But actually the money is not increasing. The money is not increasing. Actually there is increase in the credit availability with the bank because of the process of lending through the depository system. Lending through the depository system. So this is all about the money, how the money is created or credit is created by the commercial bank.